Hey there, Ron LeGrand here. Are you tired of working a dead-end job and trying to get your life back because you're so busy making a living you can't make any money? Well, that sounds like me back in 1982 when I first started in real estate. I mean, literally, I knew nothing about real estate and I just could not stand working on my job anymore. It took me a while to find it, but I actually found a way to make money without having to be a slave to my boss. And I've been doing that ever since. But over the last 37 years, not only have I been buying it, I've been teaching it. And unfortunately for most people coming into the business, they think it's all about wholesaling houses or rehabbing houses. And I'll confess, I've done my share of both. But today, I don't do that much. Today, I'm in the pretty house business. We call it the terms business. Beautiful houses in beautiful neighborhoods, 25 times more prospects than there are in the ugly junker business. And they're all over America in hot markets and cold markets. The market doesn't make any difference. In fact, this is the best time I've seen in my 37 years to be in this business. But I've learned to do it without the risk. Definitely do not use credit, and you'll need very little, if any, capital to do what I do. I've prepared an online training to show you exactly what it is we do. So if you're looking to get out of a job or a low-paying career, and maybe you want to take some vacations. Maybe you want to buy a new car. Maybe you want to buy a new house. Frankly, you can buy whatever you want to buy after I raise your expectations of how much money you can make as a real estate investor without all the costly entanglements. Go down there and get registered right now for this online training, and I think you'll be impressed, and I'll bet I changed the way you think about real estate. See you online.